If you are using Riverpod and have a dozen of tiny providers for every boolean, string, or widget state, you may be turning your app into a debugging nightmare. Here is a mistake I see all the time in the Flutter Riverpod projects, creating too many trivial providers. You might think it makes things modular and clean, but in reality, it makes your app harder to debug and harder to track, and almost impossible to refactor later. Riverpod is powerful because it lets you compose logic, not because you should break everything into tiny pieces. If you have multiple providers that always depend on each other or manage part of the same state, that's a red flag. Instead, group-related logic inside a single notifier or a sync notifier. For example, if you have username provider, user email provider, and consider merging them into one cohesive user notifier. That way, your app remains predictable, testable, and scalable. Remember, Riverpod is for composition, not for fragmentation. Follow for more deep Flutter tips.